All right, guys, moving on to, let's see, we got two more left. All right, we got the Swiss Army Triplet, and then we're going to be doing, wrapping up the flam rudiments with the flam drag. Okay, so Swiss Army Triplet. Now, again, this is another rudiment, as are many others, that does not naturally alternate. So I practice it right-hand lead and left-hand lead. I'm going to play it both ways here on this video, just so you can check that out. But again, yeah, if a rudiment does not alternate naturally, practice it both ways. Okay? All right, Swiss Army Triplet. Okay, left hand. There you go, guys. Swiss Army Triplet.